Hi, good morning, good afternoon, and also good evening, guys, depending on whichever time of the day that y'all are going to come across this video. I'd like to welcome you all to my channel, guys. Electric blanket ife yo nisibona nje sibhizi kuyambula kuyembeso yazini but ngifake iwanzi yami kaBatman ishisa ngathi ngifake le electricity blanket, but either way, guys ayisihlanyeli yini imoja la, ayisinyeli yini. Okay, shoot to make G and Umini Dlamini, everything is alleged. They're currently trending, or they were currently trending. But this morning when I woke up, they were still trending. Excuse me, guys. Saying Guben manje and I'm about to sleep. Not really sleep. I'm about to watch my series, but I think my series you also gonna watch him in. But anyway, we're not here for that. Okay, the two were trending because uMacG made a statement la ebekhuluma ngakhona ethi buza, he was actually asking ebuza ukuthi why umini, she's beautiful, but why is it ukuthi she can't keep a man, you understand? And then he said something along the lines of ukuthi maybe iClover yakhe iyanuka, inkomo yakhe iyanuka. And then a lot of people were divided on social media. Others were saying, yeah, she deserves it because she wants to call to uMacG umdlenguli, and then abanye bebe like, no, uMacG is pushing it, and now I do feel like he is. Guys, I'm going to yawn 1,000, just bear with me. But either way, yes, people were just ngapa and all of that. But now Imoja Love decided, I took a picture of this, guys. Nama device ayithuba fethu. Asifuni thina ukuthenga ama smartphone. Sidila nje ukuthenga ama device. Ngamane ngibe nama device awu10. Ngibe ne smartphone. Okay, guys, Shuti Imoja Love, what Imoja Love did was they released a statement with regards to, allegedly, I'll say, with regards to what he said, Nkomini Dlamini. I'm just going to go through the statement, and then after I go through it, kathi sagcina ukufunda bafethu, kathi angigcina ukunibhora, ngizazonifundela ngala English yami namakoma reading yami, and then after I'm done reading it, I will post it, and then we'll talk. But either way, let's talk. So the statement goes, Moja Love, DSTV channel 157. And then it is written for immediate release. Moja Love condemns MacG's derogatory remarks about women. And this was released at Johannesburg on the 28th of April, 2025. MacG's persistent use of derogatory language towards women, reducing them to vulgar slurs and objectifying their bodies is not just offensive, it is a damaging reinforcement of gender-based disrespect. Such behavior has no place in society and media, specifically where voices should uplift and not degrade. This is so rich coming from you all, but we'll get to that. And then they say, Moja Love, DSTV 157, as a platform, is committed to fostering a respectful and inclusive environment. We refuse yazi qale ngathi bekufunda omunye umuntu manje ngathi kufunda omunye umuntu. We refuse to stay silent. Misogyny on air does not just harm the individuals targeted, it perpetuates a toxic culture that normalizes the dehumanization of women. Yes, Moja Love nini will have a nerve. Put in a nerve one, got a nerve. Fuck. So yesterday, we took a firm stance against this conduct, and we will continue to challenge such rhetoric. Yeah. whenever it arises. Angazi noma rhetoric lo guide ngizoyibona nama sinfuna. The second paragraph, the fourth last word on the second paragraph. Then they say that media is designed to shape social norms, and with that influence comes responsibility. So to Meg G and others who use this platform carelessly, accountability is not optional. We urge audiences and broadcasters alike to reject sexist Vitor, I don't know, angazi usho lo gama, dance now, and demand better. Respect isn't a privilege, it's a right. So for press inquiries, interviews, or additional information, please contact Nokwazi la. Yazi sizokhuluma ngalento nayi le nto abayipostile laba bahlanyela yona. Uyazi ifuna mifucishe guys, uyazi imoja live iyasinyela, yo sorry for the language, basinyela ikaka. Imoja Love, if I'm not mistaken, late last week or with the last episode of Isincane Lengane, a lot of people came out talking about why is Moja Love perpetuating Siyacela's or behavior, because in a way it's not like they're doing anything in terms of stopping him or telling him to stop treating Utando like this or treating women like this, but they have the damn nerve and decency and whatever sensi to come out and be judging Abu Mekji. Yes, Umekji, mina, I do feel like he was wrong with that. And yes, he might have little history beef and stuff like that. But Imoja Love, I'd say Nikokai mo. Imoja Love, ihlulekile uku-addressa uSiyacela and yona ine nerve yokuthi ikwazi ukuzo-addressa uLentuzana. Is keeping a statement. Imoja Love kanena ansana wone i-content. Why isn't focusing to this phone? And not only just that, in busy focus, yazin it called a situation. Look at the kettle calling a pot black. Kanjan manch, I've in love and keep a statement. Let me go through this statement that y'all released. This statement was released on the 23rd. Oh well, sorry guys, it was just not in the last episode, but either way, yeah, that's gonna get it. They say that for immediate release, Moja Love does not condone or support gender-based violence. Oh, wow. But you're still airing Isincane Lengane and uSiyacela is still going, is like acting like a maniac. But either way, they say the most recent episode of Isincane Lengane on Moja Love DSTV channel 157 saw couple Siyacela Dlamuka and Thando Msomi engage in a heated argument, leading to Siyacela becoming violent towards her. And still you do not see ukuthi, okay, this is EGPV, this is abuse against umuntu wesifazane, you'll still add it. Okay, let's go through. They said that following the broadcast of this episode, there has been uproar with some labeling this as irresponsible broadcasting, and whether it is, most especially since you all have the nerve of trying to say ukuthi uMekji naye futhi umemeza abantu besifazane erank. Yes, naye babemeza abantu erank, but nina, you are not even the last people who are supposed to even be bringing this up. You are just supposed to shut the F up, or you're just trying to deflect. Okay. So Moja Love would like to, and Moja Love will not stop doing this, posting or having this show Isincane Lengane, because I'm sure it does bring them ratings, allegedly. And then it says Moja Love would like to put it on a record that the channel does not condone GBV in any way. Oh, okay. So Moja Love prides itself on producing content that reflects the reality in society. Okay. And then they said that including social ills, and as such could not sweep the GBV incident between Thando and under the carpet in a country. Oh, in the cupboard. The sad thing about all of this is that uSiyacela is not doing this. He's been doing this, and it's not like Imoja Love does not see, or was this the first time that they noticed uSiyacela uyi hooligan. It just was not. You understand? But either way, let's carry on. Okay, so in a country burdened by gender-based violence and femicide, Moja Love has a responsibility to reflect and show the context of this pandemic. Or, but nenzani ukulungisa le pandemic? Huh? So Moja Love intervened as the incident was happening. It is important to point out that the Moja Love crew arrived during the altercation between Siyacela and Uthando, and the police were called in. The crew was not allowed to film this. Thando was given an option to open a case against Siyacela, but she chose not to exercise that option, and instead the channel moved Thando away to different location from uSiyacela. So counseling was offered to Uthando immediately to deal with her trauma, and the channel is monitoring her progress. Why since we are going to uSiyacela unjeni, I'm going to uSiyacela kanje, why are you still? Yes, we get that Uthando was the one who did not want to exercise a right yakhe. Oh well, of which I do not feel sorry for her at the end of the day, and I've said that numerous times. It is what it is, as Kali. Why you're still airing the show? You'll try to help and promote GPV. Why manje still you're still showing? Why is the show still airing? Kodwa nimbona ukuthi siyacela uyiphara elifet. To a head of channel at Moja Love, Bongani Moyo says, as a channel, we take violence of any sort seriously, and we do not condone nor support gender-based violence in any way. But you are still airing the gender-based violence, be it physically, be it verbally. At the end of the day, someone is being violated. Either way, and Uthando and I'm like, it was important to air this episode of Isencane Lengane, as it is our social responsibility to educate our audiences and mirror what happens in our communities. Okay, I know Gutumechi Eberong, but what if Umekchi what he's saying, because he could also be speaking from experience. He was once met amantombazane who are beautiful, who are it girls, but it could wrong. What if now he is also spreading the message? Could be careful but fate. What if? To our cancelling the show is not the solution, but let's rather open a platform to discuss issues that are eating away the moral fiber of our society. No, you are not going to cancel the show because the show ichankura, and I'm sure if you yeah, Pepisan Buffet. But either way, Imoja Love kancane beyekuzama ukuzenza ngathi basmart, bezama ukuzenza ngathi bona ba right, bangama heaven sent on angel on earth and stuff like that. Bona bayilengilo sihlala kule phiko elingapha ka right kule hlombe abanye abantu omeji bahlala ngapha ka left. No nga left or nga right. Musanje ukuzama ukwenza ngathi lento yenu you're just trying to justify y'all promoting this show. uSiyacela has been verbally abusing Uthando, not only Uthando, bonke labo mama balapha bonke. I'm not even going to talk about the guys. Bonke labo mama balapha, and nina anifuna ukuthi ivalwe into cha yazina sidiscussing guys. It's like kwenzeka crime la eSouth Africa, crime meaning kuthi wayazi ama criminals fabosh Imoja Love zothi yazi mabangabosh asivele sidiscussing guys, asidiscussing yo sidiscussing ana mancane nini.